Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! So today I decided to do a video about like just my usual life, and yes, I wake up at 2:10. So sleepy, still sleepy. Sleep never enough. Still sleeper. I won't record my bed because it's really bad right now, and the shade too bright, so I put my bed sheet as the curtain, and I have another curtain here. So I think my sleep quality get way better after this, but then again I won't have time for my makeup table, so I mean at least I have light over there. Yeah, let's get ready. Hello. Oh my god, I'm so fat. Hi. Just woke up, so my voice so weird. My nose stuck. It's happened every day. And then my skin so bad now because I went to the dermatologist and they say that they need time for purging, and this process will take about a few years. And I was like, I thought you say month, but no, it's years. So, but I mean, it's just a lot of scar and like a deep pimple. So I guess you have to live with that, you know. All right. My phone in the weird angle, so it's making my face like, oh. My so gentle cleansing foam clean skin club. I almost finished this. This big tower though. I don't have my contact lens or the glasses, so like I was like, let's see. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but I'm doing it, you know. Toner. It's gotta be triple collagen toner from Medicube. I have so much toner. So again, each location is one. So even on my table, like my study table and my gaming table, I have each one bottle of toner. I have too much stuff. But you know, one thing, I bought a whole collection of the Medicube collagen series, and the toner, the serum, even the bubble serum, and I think I bought the moisturizer, the cream in the jar. I've almost finished it all. The smell is really good, and it's actually smoothing your skin. But I mean, I don't know about the collagen part, but I just like it because the smell's pretty good, and it's really like moisture my skin long time. So yeah, I use half of the toner and I finished my serum, I believe. But then I bought this one for, you know, the body pimple, like their red shower gel. And then I bought the shower cream, a little like this too. I bought the body patch, and I bought the body lotion. So only the my back. Only the lotion and the shower gel. I finished the shower gel. It's on my trash can right now. It's good. But then this one and the little cream, it burned my skin and it's irritating. So that's why I still have a lot. And I have no idea like if I'm gonna finish, because I have like bad allergy reaction for it. And I have this one grabbing cream too. Like when I put on my face in the morning, it's like I change the skin. It's not that much different, so I barely use it. But I mean, it's not bad. It's just like really like sticky, like sticky. But yeah, let's go to my makeup table and put some lens because I can't see anything. Okay, it's so dark right now, even though it's in like morning, afternoon. But I hope you can see me. Let me put on my contact lens, and let me turn on some light or something. I had 20 minutes to finish my makeup today because I have my appointment to visit like apartment like touring apartment at 3, and the apartment complex is like 15 minutes from my current apartment right now. So 3 and 2, so like I can't see anything. I hate moving, but I guess I have to move again. Alright, and at last I see the light. Oh, so bad. Oh my god, look at this. Like, oh, the lighting is just so bad. Ah! Okay, I changed my angle a little bit. It's too low, but it's okay. Alright, here you go. So, do a quick one. So, yes, this is the collagen Medicube. And yes, I almost finished it. And I got right here, that's the one that I told you that I'm really allergic to. That is going to be Central La Palm from Medicube as well. This one for body acne. And this one is the Compact Collagen Bubble Serum. It's really funny. It's like bubble when you use it. And I did bought this one and it actually worked. I think that's it for the Medicube series. I think I wanted to do my cosmetic makeup because I just bought I just finished my whole collection of the soft spoken lipstick, and I love it. Like I use it every day now. And I have so many things more like unopened, like I need to use it, like, so I need to do the video of that, but later. So let's do this now. See, I got distracted again. Let's see, oh, I have 15 minutes left. This one's pretty good. I like it. It's from Then I Met You. I don't know if the lighting is so bad right now, so I don't think you can see in the video, but I'll list everything in the description box below. Let's start it. Oh, this one's the cream from Medicube. Almost done. My Picasso spatula. This sunscreen is from Onyx. This is the Vietnamese brand. I asked my mom to carry from Vietnam to me. This is the whole collection of Onyx. I haven't used it yet. Alright, next I'm gonna use my Milk Pore Eclipse Magnifying Primer. I can't see, man. Yeah, I'm gonna do it quick so don't judge my makeup routine or something. But for this one, I hate the smell. Like, I hate the smell so much, but like, it's expensive, so I have to use it. Like, no, just don't breathe. Just don't breathe. And then sometimes it burned my skin a little bit if I use too much. So that's why I just use really, really little. And I don't know, like, the smell is bad. Next, I'm gonna use my concealer. This is from Hourglass, and I broke it. Like, I broke it, but because it's really good. And I have one here from Poppy Brow. I bought it. The shade is good. This says skin full coverage concealer, but it's not full coverage. Like, no pimple right here. It's can't coverage at all. So $38 for nothing. This one, $40 something worth. Like, I'm not like fully coverage, but at least like this one, you see, like you didn't put concealer on it. Like, what's the point of concealer at this point? And then I use this one like on his last drop, like it's empty, and because I bought that Poppy Rail, so I have to use it before I purchase another Hourglass. So right now my ultimate was that concealer is Hourglass. This one is peach, the color Vanish. Okay, so I have to remember color Vanish. See, last drop is empty. It's work. One I'm gonna use my foundation is gonna be from Orcé or Orcé. I'm so sorry if I pronounced the brand name as this one. Orcé. I bought the Happy New Year collection and I bought extra one of this. Like, oh my god. It's expensive. It's like expensive brand. This is my second bottle. This is the first bottle. I used the last drop. And this one is almost out as well. And this is the foundation serum. So it's really give you a like not cakey and moisturize your skin throughout the day. I use this and I will go to everywhere. And it's still pretty good. It's just like my oil just like bleh. But then it still does job. It's not like fully coverage though, but as long as it gives you like not dry your skin throughout the day, that's one plus point for me. I use a lot. I bought too much though. I have the double wear right here. I use half bottle. There's something wrong with it. I forgot. And I have my right here Power Fabric from Giorgio Armani. I used to this drop. So I finish it, but the shade is darker than my actual shade, so I have to mix and match. But then I use it, so I'm good. And I have like several more, but I think I threw it away. And then I just bought 3 double wear Estee Lauder just for stocking. And then I bought the new, I want to try this one, Poppy Rouse Serum Foundation. I want to try this out, so that's why I bought it. See, I'm crazy. I have a problem, man. And then let's see if I keep another foundation that I had. I have this one, Integrate Gracie from Shiseido from Japan. The shades is good, but I just hate you have to scoop it out of this box. But then, oh wait, did I say the shade is good? I'm so sorry. The shade is too bright for my skin. And then I have, how many foundation I have? This one from Hinge. I like the design. The collection is pretty good. I use half bottle, but again, I have to mix and match because the color is basically way brighter than my skin. And this is the darkest color they have. Like, Korean brain, like, come on. Like, I like you, but bro, like, there's one time I went to the face shop and their concealer or their browser, the cream browser, is the same as my skin color. And I think I would that's it for my foundation, I guess. I have more cushion, like dish cushion right here. I have the YSL one that my friend bought for me directly from Korea. The shade is really bright. This is the shade. Really bright. But I like the design, like the compact, the pouch. It's just giving it, but the shades is not. So yes, this is all my foundation. And again, I have 2. This is their powder. Compared to the Laura Mercier, I still prefer the Laura Mercier. And oh, I want to show something. I want to show this one is Cosmetic compact cushion Daydream. I bought so much. I bought like a lot of that, and I use everything. And then I was like, at this point, I'll just have to throw away the case because I have too much. Yes, that's it for my foundation introduction. It's 7 minutes. Oh, I have 5 minutes left. I talk too much. That's why when I do video makeup, I just keep my mouth shut because I keep talking like nonstop. It's almost out. That's why it looks like this. I swear it's not like that. Okay, use my spatula. Next is my powder. I like the design though. This one is for the the powder, and this one you can like open it and close it so it's not go overflow it. Okay, next one is the brow. First, I want to use my Cosmetic. I forgot what it was, but it's like basically a brow, like a scooping gel or something. Just brush my brow, put it in shape. And then I'm gonna use my, I think I'm out of my brow whisper and Nastia Beverly Oil. It's a little bit left, so I'm gonna use this. Done my brow. Ooh, almost home. Go for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna get my Clio eyeshadow. See, it's almost out. Quick one, quick one. Did I even do my... That's okay. Just the simple ones. I'm gonna put the brow one as my base. And then use the thin one they had with the darker brow on my waterline. And just like you draw an eyeliner with the eyeshadow. And then use, oh, I use this one as my base and this one as the eyeshadow. And now I just use this one right here as my eye bag. Ah! A little bit of the shiny thing, you know, shiny thing. Yeah. And then, you know, I am Cosmetic again. This one is the brow color. The thing of brush tip. Yeah, brush tip. Just a little natural brush looking self. Now, oh yeah, I need to put my contour on my nose. So I'm gonna do Cosmetic. The so soft, and the color is Terra. It's just gonna be this here, like this, and then blend it in. Just basically on my this in the middle of the nose, and then I'm just like, oops. And then my blushes, Cosmetic Heaven Glow Vintage Rosé. Okie dokie, I forgot to use my eye primer, but I don't have time, it's okay. And then what else? Oh, some highlighter. Oh my god, simple makeup, huh? From Fenty Beauty. Yeah, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Oh shit, too much. Okay. What else? From Morphe. Okay. And then, oh, lipstick. Where's that? Okay, here. Soft spoken. Color Intuition. I like Wednesday the best though. What time is it? 2:48. Done. Okay, now it's time for my changing the clothes. I think without the talking, I would have to do it early, like faster. But I decided to do the video talking. Ow. Ow, ow. My hair, so bad. Ugh. Oh, the bleach part come again. Ugh. With all the people love hair, I'm sorry for my hair. Ow! Okay. A little blow, blow, blow. By the way, this is Shark IQ or something. Ah! Toothbrush, my socks. Too rush. Okay. Mad quá man. 52. Hungry. Alright. Sing. Perfume. What do I do? I'm gonna use Victor and Rush, Roth, whatever it is. Alright, let's go. Do I forgot something? I forgot my wallet. Of course I forgot my wallet. Where's my wallet? Oh, here. Wallet. I drop. Oh, it's okay. I'm just gonna bring this back. It's like in Chesto bag. Here you go. Oh, I have my mini croissant. Let's eat some of my mini croissant. So hard, man. From Central Market. Mini croissant. Mini. Okay. My apartment is like a mess right now. I'm packing a lot already. Okay, let's go. I don't have pad if I look at this. There's a courtyard right here, so people just like walk the pad, and mine's dirty. My makeup looks so, I don't know, weird.
Going up.
My baby here. She's just a little girl. Alright, how can I get there? Alright. Just arrived and I am late like 15 minutes. Alright, this is downtown Carrington area and it looks pretty nice, so let's go. My agent not mad because I was late. Oh my god. I was like, I can't find a parking lot, you know. Vintage house. Okay, Lux on Main listing outfit. Let's go. Hi. Yes. Hi, Raven. Nice to meet you. I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine. How's your day been?
Busy. Yeah.
Busy? Good. Yeah.
How's your day?
It's been good. She went to the bathroom. She'll be right back in just a second.
Awesome.
Have you been to downtown Carrollton before?
Not really.
It's so cute. It's like right across the street. It's a little square. And right now it's really cute, decorated for like fall. It's like pumpkin. It's so cute. There's so many cute little like coffee shops and restaurants over there. Whenever we get down here, you should drive around it. It's really
Okay,
cute.
I will.
When I got here, I like drove around it because they always decorate for something. And it's so cute. There's like a little gazebo with like little pumpkins. It's very cute.
Oh,
But she'll help us here.
awesome. Thank you so much. I've passed by this area, but I never really go around.
Yeah. I've passed by it a lot too. But like we never really know like what's in it until you like actually drive around.
True,
I would
yeah.
have never known all that stuff was back there. It's really cute though. So, are you excited to move, or you don't like your current place?
Oh, well, I like it. It's
Yeah.
just like the rent is just so crazy. Like, it's just so crazy.
Everything's so expensive.
Yeah.
It's insane. You know.
And then like I want to move to like 2-bedroom, and then like the only option there, they don't have washer and dryer.
Oh really?
Yeah, so they just have the hookup, and then I was like, yeah, let's go. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are y'all doing? No, just kidding. I wish.
I know. Most places have them underneath there.
Do they not see? We gotta figure something. We haven't quite so we're in our 5th year. We're just now reaching the like
Renovate.
next renovate like budget.
Gotcha. So it wouldn't be this exact unit. It would be, oh, I like that.
I like the brown. I love the brown.
The brown is cute. Yeah, I like the brown. I didn't have the brown anymore.
I agree. A lot of people
picture. Wee.
No, this is not the exact product.
Yeah.
Alright, just finished, and the apartment was nice, but it's really expensive. It's in downtown Carrington, so I'm just driving around Addison right now, and I stopped by a random apartment and asked if they can, you know, for touring, but like randomly, like no schedule, no appointment first. Now let's see what they say. I hate in American everything just like schedule. But by the way, this is the lipstick, and it's Wednesday, so I'm gonna use it. I only have Wednesday with me. Stop it right here. Oh, my skin never been worse. Sorry. Man, why living so expensive like right now? It's just crazy. All right, let's go.
You have to move forward to change with it. At Strayer University, we see you striving to work harder and go further. That's why we provide you with the tools you need to get there, like offering a brand new laptop and new program bachelor's program.
Your
Okay.
phone flips? Is that like the iPhone?
Oh, yeah.
Details of units.
Oh, kitchen.
Every unit, are you looking at the wine fridge? I think this, oh yeah, 700 up. So every unit, 700 square feet up will have a wine fridge.
Oh my.
The little mini fridge, whatever.
I don't drink, so
Yeah. That's how I was like, do we call it a wine fridge? Because I just put juices in there for like my nieces and nephews or like my little cousins, and then they automatically just go to this refrigerator. And I was like, why did you go to that fridge? It's a big one. And he was like, well, I don't know, it's a little like me, so I figured it was for me. And I was like, well,
That's cute.
So I just use that for them.
Oh. Alright, walk in here. This one is.
In this unit, the washer and dryer is stackable, which
Alright, finish. I don't know why the music's too on, but finish another one. Now go to another one. This is really low-key apartment, but this is New York 5 as well. Okay, where's the listing office? I think I turned here, so probably here. No elephants. Okay, ADDISON CIRCLE. Where am I right now? Mid-red. Right here. Spectrum. So go down here. What? Door.
Turn left onto Morris Avenue.
Morris Avenue. Turn left. Man, people here drive crazy. Forward. Is that this one or no? No idea. Am I lost? Yes. The good main. Okay. Good main right here. Oh. Okay, open it. Okay. Whatever. Okay. 1, 3, 12. This is the pool area. This looks nice. Oh, they have laundry room. She had the same thing at me. Okay, 13, 12. This one had closet, huh? Okay, here. Put this in here. Okay. I like this one better though. Fireplace. Oh my god, this is nice. big closet. This is nice. Oh, this the view. This one, the view is so nice. Like, wow. Walk in. Hello, man. Echo. High ceiling. This right here. The whole time. This is the closet. This one is huge. Look at this one. Man, but the ceiling is so high. They should like make another thing, man. Right here. Ouch. Woo, this is nice. Okay, I finished touring that apartment. It's really nice though, but I still have to look around. Now I'm in front of Ikea. My phone was dying right now. It's have like 12%. I charge and I drive like 20 minutes, so yeah. Just look like all the walking and stuff. My skin's so ugly. Okay, let's go Ikea. My boyfriend mom just need a pot, so it's gonna be fast. It's gonna go really fast. Of course I have to go to the showroom. What's the point of going to Ikea without going to the showroom, right? Well, not a lot of people because I'm shy holding my camera, recording in the public place. It's weird. This is so cute.
Attention IKEA visitors. Would IKEA visitor Sophia De Francisco please visit the green portrait window after the coffee? Once again, would IKEA visitor Sophia De Francisco please visit the green portrait window?
This is nice. This is cute. You're everywhere. Is it this one she looking for? I like it. Let me see the picture again. Okay, my phone dying, so I'll see you guys back. Just get out of Ikea. It's 7:30, so I spent so many here. The skies are dark. I got this one for here. Just a tray. It's SE. I got the pot for her. I think this is the correct one. It's looked exactly the same as the picture. And I got this pot for myself, for my plane. Alright, 3 stuff. I need to stop by Daiso before. Oh, sorry. I need to stop by Daiso before I get with Karen. I need to give her stuff too. Let's see. Okay. I'm here waiting outside my car. Because Right there, we're gonna eat gopchang story today. You know, it's but we're craving for gopchang right now. And yeah, for gopchang. Gopchang. Yay. Okay, gonna go to the bakery for now. What's this way? Is it new? Ice cream. Look like it's new. I went to that Chamaru before. Not bad. The T4, my last video. I don't know, they closed today. Okay. Right, T-top, never drink here before. Alright, gonna get some cake. Right, I'm gonna hang up. I'm shy. For two. Just gopchang, please. Go ahead. That's why my phone died. Damn. Take a picture and show it to Danny that we finished everything.
Did you show him at the beginning?
Alright. We just get out. I mean, we got out, but we stand outside and talk. I'm so full. Karen gave me this. She made it. It's cheesecake. And she made this one as well. A little croissant. Looks so cute. And this one, I bought it. I'm so full and I don't want to drive. My house is only 10 minutes away. And I'm still so lazy. Oh my god. Alright, let's go. Too full, too sleepy. Alright, finally home. I don't know why I look so red. Look at my nose. But I didn't drink anything. I just drink ginger ale. I didn't even drink alcohol. And I look kind of pinkish red. But anyway, this is my makeup. Right now is like 11. Let me show you guys though. My tablet. 11:52. Ooh. Okay. 11:52, and I think I'm good in this angle, except for my double cheek. Okay. I retouched my lipstick twice because I ate and it's gone, and this is my foundation look like. My eyelash and my eyebrow and eyeliner still pretty good. It's just so much oil. My oil is just black, but then I ate barbecue and stuff and it's super smoky in there. In general, I think this is not bad. Okay, right now I'm gonna shower and let's see. Bye. I'll see you guys actually. Bye. Just finished shower. Did you guys hear G.I. Joe new album, Look? Heart, Heat. It was so good. it was on repeat when I'm taking a shower. And I reordered the album already, and it should arrive soon. But yeah, I just use my cleansing, like cleansing, just like a regular cleansing cream. So it's not gone all the way. So you always have to, what's that? Remove your makeup. Oh, I guess my brain not working anymore. A little bit left. Can't see it, but a little bit left. Another washing. This is my medicine. After medicine, had to sit 20 more minutes, and then put another medicine on, and then after 20 more minutes, oh, I forgot I haven't said any light. And after 20 more minutes, you can put moisturizing and everything else. Alright, I think that's it for today's video. It's been a really long video, I believe. Right now is 12:30. Little count brow thing, my table, yeah, my tree, and this is my nails thing. I plan to do the press on nails, so I try to do this so far that I have done. So we'll see. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to see what I'm doing. But look at all the charm I bought. It's a lot. It's pretty though. For breakfast. And all the stuff I bought. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching until now. And I hope you guys like this kind of vlog. And I will try to post many more before I've moved. Alright, I'll see you guys later. I'll probably go play League now. Bye bye.